Welcome to Draw with Bunny. Today we are going to draw a very cute umbrella. So let's get started. In the first step, I will draw the outer part of the umbrella. For that, let's draw a semicircle. Just like this, curving up to the top and then moving down here we go. Now I will start drawing upside down C like this. Again, repeat this step. Upside down C. Again. We will continue this till the other end. Here we go. Our first step is now complete. In the second step, we will draw some details on our beautiful umbrella. At the very top, I will draw an upside down letter V like this. It will be the top part of our cute umbrella. Now from this point, I will start drawing some curved lines. Curving down to this point. Again, repeat the step from the top. Curving down to this point. Again, from the top. Going all the way to this point. Again. And the last curved line. Curving down to this point. Here we go. Our second step is now complete. In the third step, I will draw the cane of our cute umbrella. For that, I will draw in the very middle a straight line like this. And then again, parallel to this line, a straight line like this. Now from this point, I will draw the letter U like this, and then I will extend it and move it down and meet at this point. Our cane is ready. Now in the next step, I will make my drawing a bit more prominent, and I will fast forward the step. Let's color our cute umbrella with rainbow colors. For that, I will be using light green, orange, dark red, purple, dark blue, yellow, and dark pink. For the top part and the cane, I will be using brown color. So let's get started. Our cute umbrella is now ready. See you in the next video with another cute drawing. Bye bye.